I have Honor 10 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be the calendar. Let's simply assume that I want to save the following screen, so all I have to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys just for 2 seconds, let me show you. As you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you again. Let's hold down simultaneously power key and volume down for 2 seconds and you just capture the following screen. So you can also use the second method of taking screenshots. Let's just knock twice on your screen, let me show you. And you just capture the screen. Let me show you again. Let's knock twice and you just save the following screen. You can also use the third method, the last one. Let's just use upper bar twice and tap screenshot. Right here you've got the screenshot icon. Let me show you again. Use upper bar twice, tap screenshot and you just save the following screen. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete or just find the screenshots, let's open the gallery. Right here you've got the gallery icon, let's tap it. Let me skip the synchronization and here under photos or under albums you've got the screenshots. So let me choose the screenshot folder and here you can choose your pictures and share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.